Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What I'm planning to do here is try to start again my video series on different technologies, different web development technologies which I do. Yeah, I know previously I started on C# and I kind of burned out. I didn't have much time for that. So this time I'll try to be more consistent with that approach, so that I don't get burnout in the process. So let's begin today. So today we will set up the prerequisites for running Angular. So Angular is a front-end framework which is one of the very famous frameworks which is out there. So today we'll look how to set up the environment, what are all the tools that you will need for that. So we'll be looking for that and we'll be doing the installation on camera. So yeah, let's get started. So first thing that you need to do is you need to download Node.js. So if you just open here, I'm opening my Chrome and simply searching Node.js, yes, and whatever the first link comes up. Yeah, so I'm on a Windows system, so I just Windows 64-bit should be good enough for me. Yeah, let it download. So depending on your download speed, it will be there. Yeah, it will take some time. Yeah, so now we are done with the downloading process. Let's simply just open it and let it run. It will be a very simple process. Just accept the license terms, next, and next, install. And hit yes when the prompts comes up. This part might not get recorded in the screen recorder. Alright, it's almost done. So yeah, why I started with Angular, because like I mainly do front-end framework job, front-end job, web development on that end. So it's and this is what Angular is one of the best libraries, or you can say the frameworks out there which is for front-end development. So yeah, so now we are done with the Node.js installation. Now let's download Visual Studio Code. Studio Code download, and simply hit that, and yeah, let's go to the Visual Studio.com and we'll be installing Windows 64-bit, and let the download start. Yeah, so depending on your internet connection, this will take up some time. Yeah, so let's wait for it. Yeah, so now our VS Code is downloaded. So let's go ahead and install it. Simply hit run. Say yes whenever the prompt says you to. Yeah, accept the license agreement. Let's go. Yeah, create. Yeah, prompt to restart. Okay, yeah, all looks good. Yeah, I want to create a desktop icon, and it looks good. Yeah, so let this thing get installed. Then we'll start with the Angular CLI. So just wait for a second, couple of seconds maybe. It will be done very soon. And you can choose any kind of code editor that you want, but why I choose Visual Studio Code is this one is very lightweight, I feel like, compared to others. So now let's see how we can do it. So first of all, I'll go and create a folder. I'll just open folder, I'll go to my C drive and I'll create a folder called Angular. So basically here I'll be holding all my projects here, and inside that I'll say okay, here directly we can do it. So let's delete this folder, this I don't need. Right, so I'm here in C Angular folder, I'm selecting, I'm just selecting the folder. Right, cool. Now if you open, go here and it will see, want to see the terminal, new terminal, and this is basically your command prompt that is there, and I'm inside C Angular. So now how we have to install the Angular CLI. So how do we do that? So for that, npm I for install, or you can just simply say full install. -G is for the global, means I want my Angular CLI to be available throughout all my operations, not only this particular folder. So for that, -G at Angular /CLI. We can specify version here, but I just want to have the latest one, and here is some Angular. Right, so let's do npm is not in restarter. Okay, so the thing is that npm is not recognized because I need to restart my system. So let me just do that and I'll come back to you later. Thank you. Yeah, so we are back after the restart. So now let's go with the installation of Angular CLI. So for that, npm install -G for global and at Angular /CLI. Why I'm typing same mistake ever and ever again. Yeah, so let's hit enter. Now depending on your internet speed, it will take some time, so let's just wait till this one is finished. Let's hit Y for this. Let them take some anonymous data on that. Right, cool. So now we have added Angular CLI. So now our installation is done. So let's start. So in order to create a new Angular project, it's very easy. So just hit type ng space new and whatever the project name you want to give. So we want to say it Angular starter. We want to see it like that. So okay, so let's try that, Angular starter, and hit enter. So what it will do, it will create the whole scaffolding and all the basic options which are there, and this will ask you to do a lot of yes or no answers. So yeah, we want routing to be enabled. Let's hit Y, and we want, for now we'll be just going with, so this is asking what kind of style sheet we want. So we'll be going with CSS for now, and it will basically create the project. So just wait for a few seconds, I guess. Alright, so now it's done. Now what we'll do, try to install. So now let's see how to open the project. So simply go to file, open folder, and you'll be able to see whatever the project we just created, and select that folder. And basically now we have our folder, and you'll be able to see so many files which are there. So basically we will be leaving most of the things as it is, just we'll be concentrating more on the src part of it and inside app. So this is our basic application and all the files which are automatically created by Angular. And let's open the terminal again, and let's now, so in order to run the thing, see what our Angular project is created. So we'll run ng crve, yes, ng serve will run. So let it run for the first time, and it will start a development server in port 4200 of localhost. So yeah, so once that is open, let's we'll show you how it looks. So yeah, so this is the building process, and so it's listening to localhost 4200. If you control plus click on it, it will open up the default browser, and it will open this one for us. And with this step you have successfully created a new Angular project, and this is how you do it, right? So hopefully this was a very easy enough tutorial for you guys. And just before ending the video, if you want to stop the server, just Control C. It will ask to yes and hit Y, and it's fine. So this is a basic very basic starter point for Angular. So in future we'll be coming up with more videos, and we'll be going through what all these files are and how to use them, how to create a module, how to create a component, so many things and other things. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.